So in this video we're going to find the determinant of these two matrices. This one a 2 by 2, this one a 3 by 3. And when finding determinant of any matrix, it's always a square matrix, so a 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and so on. It's never a 2 by 4 or a 3 by 5 or whatever, it's always a square matrix. So let's start with this one first. That will also have a technique in it which will help us to find the determinant of this one. So if we just letter these parts of the matrix, so we call this one A1 and A2, and this one B1 and B2. So determinant, so we call this matrix A. So determinant of A equals, what we do is we put a line across like this, so an arrow there, and we do A1 times B2, and then we subtract A2 times B1. Okay, so using this formula now, A1 times B2, so we've got minus 4 times 3, and then we subtract A2, which is 7, times B1, which is 5. Okay, just doing the arithmetic on this one now. So that's minus 12 minus 35. So therefore, determinant of A is minus 47. So that's the solution for that one.